Well, I got my tail lights and brake lights working. Run me a hot over to my fuse panel, off my brake light switch there, and then I run a hot all the way back to the tail light. Run me some wire loom back here, make it look neater. Show y'all what I got so far. I still got to cross it over to the passenger side, but brake lights, parking lights. That's all I need, really. It's getting there. I'm gonna go later this week and see about getting that tag swapped over to this truck. It belongs on a 4-wheel drive I had. I don't know if they'll swap over antiques or not. It won't be long. Y'all keep on watching. I'll get it there. Thank y'all.